add and subtract proper fraction and mixed fraction with a similar fraction. Alright. So when fractions have the same denominator, alright, so you have to add or subtract the top number, which is the numerator. So 3 plus, so we have to add the top number, which is the numerator. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we have 4. When you see the diagram, we have 3 slices shaded out of 5. And that one shaded out of 5. When we combine together, so we have 4 shaded out of 5. Okay, again, we just added the numerator and copy the denominator if the fractions are similar. How about subtraction? The same rule, but we have to subtract them. We have to take away from the first number. So 7 take away 3, we have 4. Now 4 has common factor which is 4. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So we have new fraction, or we call it lowest term. So we have 1/2. When you see the diagram here, so from the first fraction 7 out of 8, and the other one is 3 slices or shaded region out of 8. Then next, when you take away from that, it's equals to 1/2. Alright? Adding and subtracting these numbers, same thing, but there's another thing you have to do is there is regrouping. How about without regrouping? First, you need to know what are the how to change the mixed number to an improper fraction. So first, multiply the whole number. The whole number is 4. Then times the denominator, which is 2. Then add your answer to your numerator, which is 1. And then after that, you put your new number over the denominator. That's why you have 4 times 2, 8, plus 1 equals 9 over 2. Right, next, another thing. 6 and 2/3. So 6 times 3 plus 2 equals, so 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2, it is 20 over 3. Okay, another one, 3 and 2/5. 3 times 5 plus 2, so we have 15 plus 2 is 17 over 5. Next, 4 times 4, then plus 3, we have 16 plus 3, 19 over 4. Right. Next, so we have mixed number here. As you can see, we have 5 7 9s plus 3 6 3 5 over 9. Okay? Or 5 9s. So you have to add the 5 and 3 the whole number, which is 8. And then same rule, if there are similar, you have to add the top number, which is the numerator. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Then copy the denominator. Same thing with since your 8 and 12 9, 12 9s has a common factor. So 12 and 9, they have 3 common. That's why you're going to divide them to get the lowest term. So we have 8 and 4/3. That's 12 divided by 3 is 4, 9 divided by 3 is 8. So you have new mixed fraction, which is 8 4/3. How about subtraction? same thing, you have to subtract the whole number first, then numerator, and then denominator. So as you can see, there is 5 minus is 2, and 7 minus 5 is 2, then copy that denominator. Okay. How about grade regrouping? The first mixed fraction, as you can see, it's lower than the second fraction. Okay? So first, you have to borrow from your whole number to make it this one as another mixed fraction. Okay, first, 7 will be 6, you subtract by 1, and 1 will put in your 1/8, and then let's get the new mixed improper fraction of 1 and 1/8. You multiply, then add, then copy the denominator. So 8 times 1/8 plus 1 equals 9, then 8. So 9/8. So you have new mixed fraction, 6 and 9/8. So 6 minus 3 is 3. And the other one is 9/8 minus 3/8 equals to 6/8. Since your 6/8 has a common factor, to get the GCF, so 6 and 8 has a 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2. So you have new mixed fraction, 3 and 3/4. How about another one? So look at this. The top number is 4 of your mixed fraction, and second fraction or the mixed fraction is 7. So 4 is lower than 7. So you need to borrow from your whole number. So 10 will be 9. And then you have to put the 1 to the other side. Okay, so that you have 1 and 4 ninths. 1 and 4 ninths, when you change it to improper, that is 9 times 1 plus 4 equals 13 ninths. So let's subtract them. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 13 minus 7 is 6. Then copy the denominator. So you have 5 and 6 ninths. Then 6 9 has a common factor, so which is 3. So that's why we have 5 and 2 ninths. Okay? So I hope you understand on how to add and subtract the similar fraction and also the mixed fraction with or without regrouping. Okay. If you want a worksheet, I will put the link. If you want to try more, I will put it there. So see you in my next one. Thank you.